Morning, 19th of May. I'm still by the River Ribble. Just a bit downstream from me is the new bridge over the Ribble, which used to be the old Tram Bridge. Obviously, if you're local, you know what I'm talking about, so I'll just give you some views of that. Okay, so here's a Ribble going upstream there towards Walton. And there's the bridge in question. It's got an official opening on the 22nd, I believe. And further downstream is an old railway line bridge. And then the river itself goes out to the estuary, down to Lytham St Anne's. It's a multi-million-pound project paid for by the Lancashire County Council and other benefactors, I would say.